So when I look at some of the tools that Embark provides us, the results come up on my dashboard, but what I can do and what I can action from them, they've really streamlined. Again, time is money in our profession, and there's never enough time to go around. So when I look at a report and I see a red result, that's something that I need to be focused on. I need to make changes. I need to make a care plan on. I can go to the bottom of that report, and for MDR1, they'll give me an entire list of how that gene in that breed of dog, what the penetrance is. I'll be honest, I didn't know about penetrance until this, but it'll tell me the penetrance. It'll let me know in that specific breed, how likely is this disease to develop, at what age is it going to develop, and what's the progression going to look like in that breed of animal. It gives me all of the immediate information I need to be educated and go to my client with good information. If I'm a science nerd, which some of us veterinarians are, they have linked at the bottom all of the references that are relevant to the genetic studies in that case. So for intervertebral disc disease or degenerative myelopathy, there's great references. The key reports in our industry are right there for me to access if I need more information or I need to learn more about it. Or like in the case of Molly, when I needed to understand more about von Willebrand's that wasn't associated with the Doberman. So all of those resources are super readily available to me with actionable items. When I look at a blue result, I don't have to sweat as much. I don't have to worry about it as much, but it's giving me information that is important for looking at and having owners aware of. It may be this animal's not fit for breeding or not recommended to be bred because of the genes it has. It may be an ALT activity, but as I start to process these results, again, all of that data is underneath as far as penetrance, inheritability, where I go with this in the future, whether this dog should be bred or not bred, and it's actionable information. I can give right to an owner. So the reporting, the way it's listed makes it super easy for me to get as detailed depth of information as I want and spend hours researching it, or get a quick synopsis to be able to be educated and go to an owner.
And having access to the veterinary geneticist that Embark provides is another great tool that we've used, because for as much as information is involved in the reports that we're able to get, sometimes just reaching out and having somebody to talk to on the other side of the line to run through a care plan is a great thing to have. And the people that we've dealt with, the doctors we've dealt with at Embark have been phenomenal in helping us sort of process through what does this mean? What else do I need to be worried about? What should I be looking for or being aware of? So resources that Embark provides are far stretching and incredibly beneficial to the clinicians here.